Okay, inom ko muna guys. Mainan. Dinadaya ang kakaunti.
Shit.
Kalating ko na. Ano mo yung ano? Hindi ko ba kayo ha? Hindi ako sanay sa camera. Table na eh.
Okay.
Parinig kahit pa na yung shooting din eh.
Busyala, smile.
Huwag tawa, huwag alikik. Smile. Smile lang. Ang hinihingi ng photographer, smile. Hindi alikik.
Flowers for you on this lovely evening. Though they have no words, they share my feelings as we walk along the avenue. Pardon me, I just can't help staring at you. When I look into those sparkling eyes, I float in the air and wonder in paradise. You give my heart a source of inspiration. Your beauty is beyond imagination. You are the one, the only one that I desire. When we touch, when we're one, you light the fire. The seasons we share hand in hand, there seems to be no time. Each day with you becomes a Valentine. Time must go on, and so must we. Moments slip away, but not the memories. One day as we look back, we'll always treasure candlelight that shines beyond forever. You are the one, the only one that I desire. When we touch, when we're one, you light the fire. The seasons we share hand in hand, there seems to be no time. Each day with you becomes a Valentine.
Ito, ang dami tao sa bahay. Nag-start ang binyagan ng 10 ng umaga. Sina tatay, sina nanay, kuya Lupe, kuya, lahat ng mga kamag-anak dito. Tumulong lahat. Huwag tuwan-tuwa. Sayang, sana nandito ka. Nakita mo sana kung gaano kasaya. Daming tao. Napakaraming tao. Pwede nga lang nandito ka ng araw. Hindi kompleto eh. Kulang tayo ng isa. Wala ka eh. Sana magustuhan mo yan. Kahit na wala. Papadala ko sa ito. Ay, si Mama Larry, ayan. Sa harapan ko ngayon. Yung laking utang na loob ko saan lang mag-ama. Pinaganda nila ang birthday ng anak mo. Lahat ng kapitbahay natin tumulong. Ultimo matatanda hanggang bata. Lahat tumulong sila lahat. Tapos ngayon, nandito rin sila lahat. Daming tao ngayon din eh. Para sa birthday ng anak mo. Sige yan, babay na muna ha. Mga tiga-tayabas, nandito nga pala. Pinalisan Dennis. Ingat ka lagi. Love you.
Is that your smile? I've been looking at you forever, but I never saw you before. Are these your hands holding mine? Now I wonder how I could have been so blind. For the first time, I am looking in your eyes. For the first time, I'm seeing who you are. I can't believe how much I see when you're looking back at me. Now I understand why love is for the first time. Can this be real? Can this be true? Am I the person I was this morning? And are you the same you? It's all so strange. How can it be? All along this love was right in front of